in the Marketplace, performed by Yayra Tamakloe. People of the marketplace, clear the way. We are coming through the market gate. My Lord is coming to the market. Laroye appears like a graceful crown. Eshu, do not deceive or harm me. Deceive another. Latopa, bless me. Eshu, bless me. Bara, bless me. Eshu, bless me. All reverence to you, Latopa. All reverence to you, Lalupo. All reverence to you, Bara. We are glad that Eshu's festival is here. We are glad that Eshu's festival has come. Eshu, do not harm me. Eshu, do not harm me.
Salute to Ajay, goddess of wealth. Ajay's leaf commands you to observe me and dance. Young palm shoots tell you to observe me and rejoice. It is I, shout the parrot to the forest. It is I, sings Oloku till it reaches its nest. It is I, sings Odidere to Iwo townsmen, descendants of the river Oba, who carried the calabash of wealth from heaven to earth. No chief dared use any leaf for bestowing honors but the Okoku. Honor and worship unto Ajay, peaceful cowries, come into my house in earnest. Earnestly come and smile on me, earnestly come and live with me. It is you, Ajay, who commanded me, the son of Ajay, that when I labor, I shall make money. And though I do not labor, I shall make money. Therefore, I implore you to smile on me. The house rats consume other people's money. The chameleon wraps itself in other people's clothes. It is I, shouts the parrot to the forest. It is I, sings Oloku till it reaches its nest. Ajay, supreme God of wealth, benevolent provider of all human needs.
Please make a way, make a way. Make a way, yeah. Make a me Papa Chita, yeah. I pray for the money, I pray for the dough, yeah. I pray for the good things of life, I pray for my soul, yeah. My house to go pay, yeah. I pray God bless my way, yeah. From Monday to Saturday, Ojojúmọ́ the monkey by day. Ajẹ́ olóko àsọ̀rọ̀ dayọ̀, mo jí lówùúrọ̀ yìí wá sọ̀rọ̀ mi dayọ̀. Mẹ́kàwé níbi tára ẹ̀sán pé kò sọ̀nà, ṣàánú fún mi tún dé, bàbá mi mọ̀ mi lànà fún mi. Lànà, ayọ̀. Mo pe ajẹ́ olóko àsọ̀rọ̀ dayọ̀, mo jí lówùúrọ̀ yìí wá sọ̀rọ̀ mi dayọ̀. Ojúmọ́ rẹ̀ ló mọ́, I pray to God, make you show me the way.
Ajay, supreme God of wealth, benevolent provider of all human needs. Ajay, supreme God of wealth, benevolent provider of all human needs.
ajé wáyà sílẹ̀ mi bẹ́yọ̀ lájẹ́ lẹ́yìn òní kankan.
Elimpe's people accorded Torosi's sons with native intelligence. He was possessed with beats of 400 deities. He himself was half-god. Shango was Elimpe's son. He was the greatest king. To grace his bosom on an ancient throne, the wind at his back, the lightning at his call, his words finally lined with fire, and the Dumara was a gift of his fury. Shango was half deity. Elimpe's sons bedded Iemanjah's three princes, a legitimate first, Oba, a legitimate second, Oshun, and a quitant third, Oya. His love like rain, he showered on Oshun. Apparently, this deity did not love equally. Oba, desperately trying to please Elimpe's son, saw the secret to his eyes, ears, and mind from Oshun. A small piece of my ear, Oshun quibbled. Oba, the overzealous wife, cuts her whole to feed her king. Shango approaches Oba food, demeaning it fit for taste as obligation. He spots the ear and squeals. Poison, Oba, poison! Rising furiously, spitting and calling repeatedly till his palace is home to fiery ashes and black dust. He is human, with flaws. Oba is banished, Oshun flees, Oya too. The former two, in pain, anger, and frustration, cry rivers. Oba's tears transforms to the Odo Oba, Oshun tears to Odo Oshun. Two rivers running turbulently and fiercely tributary. You ask about Oya? You find her in the river Niger. Elimpe's sons? Do you ask Gibonka, or does he live? Obakosu, somewhere in the clouds, spitting and calling less frequently. He is a god now.
Iya Nirora, Mother is gold, a treasure untold, gifted to the human race, to soften life's arduous task. Yayra Nirora, a crystal gift, given to humanity, that the vicissitudes of life can be curtailed. For truly, Mother is gold, an irreplaceable gem which shines and sparkles in the darkest days of life, soothing our deepest pains, anchoring us through the raging winds of life, that we may glow in crystal gold. Iya Nirora, Yayra Nirora, Iya Nirora, Yayra Nirora.
Iba oya, ajalaye, ajalorun, winnie, mi be mayansa, afifi jeje, efufu leje, yawa oya Ashe. Iba oya, ajalaya, ajalorun, winnie, mi be mayansa, afifi
Ajalaye, Ajaloru, Winnie Winnie, me be my answer. Afifi, jeje, efufu, leje, yawa, oyao, ashe.
Iba oya, Ajalaya, Ajalorun, Winnie Winnie, me be mayansa, Afifi, sheshe, efufu, leje, yawa, oya, ashe.
He is patient, he is silent. Without anger, he pronounces his judgment. He is distant, but his eye rests on the town. He kills the initiate and rouses him to new life. He is playful like death. He carries the child away. He rides the hunchback. He spreads out his arms, the right and the left. He stands by his children. He lets them succeed. He makes them laugh, and they laugh. You, father of laughter, your eyes is laughing. Immense granary of the sky, old man with the strength of youth, you rest in the sky like a swarm of bees. The rich owe their riches to you. The poor owe their poverty to you. You take from the rich and give to the poor. Take then from the rich and give to me.
Age. 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 Age.